Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find additional settings. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at top. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it. I will pick Turkish. It is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on the language and find the language. Tap on it and it will be marked. Now you can go back, and from now on I've got English set again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.